Okay, class, I am back. We are going to continue learning about seasons today. In our seasons yesterday, we learned about springtime and about fall. And we also learned that spring is the opposite of fall. In the springtime, things bloom and grow, and in the fall times, things start to kind of go to sleep and the leaves start to fall. So spring and fall are opposites. Today we are going to learn about summer and winter. Summer is actually my favorite time of year. Winter might be a lot of people's favorite time of year. In the summer it is very warm and in the winter it's very cold. We all know that. So, yes, we do. We're so smart. So, let's go ahead and talk about summer and winter. So, what were the 4 seasons? The 4 seasons that God made are spring, summer, fall, and winter. What happens in the spring? Well, in the spring, the weather starts to get warmer and the days get longer. Trees and flowers bloom, and trees and flowers bloom, and birds begin to nest, and animals begin to have babies. What happens in the fall? Weather gets colder. Leaves fall from the trees. Animals look for warmer places to stay, and it just gets to be a little colder. We start to wear jackets. Fall is the opposite of spring. Today we're going to talk about summer. So remember I said summer and winter are opposites? So here's what we're going to learn about those two. Summer is a fun season. We get to play in sand. We can build sandcastles. We wear shorts and short sleeves. We can play in the water, in the pool, in the water sprinklers. We can do all kinds of fun things in the summer. In the winter, it's very cold. Yes, the winter is cold too. We can play in the snow. We can go ice skating. We get to get icicles from our houses. Both of those seasons are very fun, just very different types of fun. So let's learn about the difference about summer and in winter. So, do children go to school in the summer? Most children do not go to school in the summer, and there's a lot of time to play. They may play in sandboxes, splash in water, in the sprinklers, or in pools. Trees have many, many green leaves in the summertime. What else grows in the summertime? Colorful, beautiful flowers. My favorite time. Another one of my favorites. Spring and summer are my favorite times. Lots of flowers bloom everywhere in people's yards, in the fields, in the parks. Everything is just so colorful and beautiful. It's amazing. Gardens grow quickly. It is warm. The sun helps fruit and vegetables to ripen. Summer is a time for corn and tomatoes, berries, and watermelon. Summer is also a time for vacation, to go to grandma's house, to take summertime beach trips. Summer is a wonderful, fun, beautiful time to enjoy God's creations. Winter. Winter is a season that everything the opposite of summer happens. In the winter, it is cold, cold, cold. We wear jackets. There's ice and snow. We have to wear scarves and earmuffs. It is no longer warm. It's freezing. Not one of my favorite times, but there are a lot of really beautiful, blessed times in the winter. Weather is very cold. Some days the sun doesn't shine very much at all. And the nights seem very long. Yes, we go to school in the wintertime. Do trees and leaves fall in the wintertime? Do trees and leaves, grow in the wintertime? No, they don't. There's only a very few amount of trees that are still green in the winter, and those are called evergreen trees. Those trees are the trees that you see at Christmas time for our Christmas trees. Other trees have no leaves at all. They rest during the cold winter. So winter is a very resting time for both plants and animals. When animals hibernate in the wintertime, they sleep. In many parts of the world, God sends something very special to cover the ground. It's very white, it's very cold, it's very wet. Can y'all think what it is? Snow. God sends snow. It is also very fun. That's how we build our snowman and have snowball fights. So both summer and winter are very fun times. They're just very opposite in how it feels outside. It's very cold in the winter and very warm and hot in the summer. Very much opposites. Do people like the winter? Some people may. My favorite time is summer. Other people may like the winter time. It just kind of depends on who you are. Everybody's different. There is lots of fun to be had in both seasons. Some parts of the world do not have seasons at all. In the tropical rainforest, it is never winter. It's always hot, and things always grow. In the Arctic, it is always cold, and things are always frozen, and there is always snow. So God made things the way they're supposed to be in every part of the world, and He made them beautiful in every part of the world. Many people enjoy living in when the weather changes. Many people enjoy living where it's only hot, and many people also enjoy living where it's only cold. But God promised the 4 seasons will always continue. God made wonderful promises to Noah after he left the ark. You remember that from Noah's Ark? The Bible tells of a seed time, which is spring, a harvest time, which is fall, a cold time, which is winter, and a time of heat, which is summer. After the flood, which was in Genesis 8:22, He promised all 4 seasons, and that's what He does. So we get to enjoy now all the seasons, because all the seasons are wonderful parts of what God has made in this wonderful world that He created. So I would like to share a poem about the seasons. If y'all like to listen, use your listening ears. Winter weather. What do I wear? Wraps and caps and lots of snaps. It's very cold. Mittens in pairs. Springtime weather. What do I wear? Jackets with pockets. Muddy boots are there. It's very rainy in the springtime. Summer weather. What do I wear? Swimsuits and play suits. I leave my toes bare. Autumn weather. What do I wear? Sweaters with letters and leaves in our hair. Y'all did so good. I thank you so much for paying attention to our video or to my video. I hope y'all are learning lots. I'm trying really hard. I hope y'all are having fun. Please do one thing today. One special thing for me. Give your moms and dads a hug. Give your brothers and sisters a hug. One big bear hug. Tell them you love them. Enjoy the season of spring that God gave us. Look at all the beautiful flowers. Go outside and play because it's so beautiful right now. And it's such an amazing day that God gave us. And we should be thankful for that. So go have fun and enjoy the rest of your day. I miss you guys, and I will see you very soon.